Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We're back. I felt like I was just live. Like I was live last night at midnight. I was live last night at midnight. We're back. We're back to do it all over again. We're back to do it all over again, chat. Are you excited? Who's excited? It's like I never left. You know, mega money Mondays. Mega money Mondays live from the West Coast. The West Coast. That's right. The West Coast. That's right. Good morning. I want to see more mornings. We got to cover the whole chat with mornings. GM, pump it up, GMs, baby. Let's get this party going. We're gonna try to make some money today. We're gonna try to make some money today. All right, we're trying to make some. I got a new fresh haircut. I'm looking good. I'm feeling good. Let's go, baby. Yay. Look at that. There we go. Now we're doing it. GMs. Saw that chopper talk last night looking for houses. Was that yours? It's mine. Good morning. How y'all doing? It is currently 9:04. Nasdaq making a move here. 29,000 overnight right now. We were trading this last night. Had a lot of guys in the chat calling for a dump. But as you can see here, we did make new highs overnight. 29,100 currently. All right. Market's going up. On a Tuesday. Or wait, on a Monday. So if you look at the hourly chart right now, obviously we've got the Friday low down there. The overnight high right now. The overnight kind of low area as well. So 3 levels to keep in mind. I think if we did sell down, if we were going to sell off, well, Friday low would be a target, but as of right now, just kind of getting ready here, putting in these higher lows, kind of overnight the trend. How high can we push back up? That's always the $1 million question, right? Always a $1 million question. If you look here, there is a gap. Well, hold on. Yeah, there's a little bit of, looks like we're 29,116 is right where that gap is. Above that, another gap all the way up here, but right now 29,000 like 100 level gap right there. It is pre-market, so we haven't like officially filled it, but it looks like we're kind of working that way right now. Good morning. We're back. Mega Money Mondays, man. I had a really fun weekend. I had a lot of fun this weekend. It was a hot weekend of funness. It was a fun weekend of fun. A lot of drama. A lot of fun stuff, and a lot of fun stuff. Oh man, I sometimes, sometimes I impress myself at how much fun I have. Yeah, so Nasdaq kind of like we're right there below the bottom of that wall, right here in this gap area from Thursday close, basically. So we'll see if that is gonna be the top of this move up. We got any news today? How's the news looking? Pulling up onlyprofirms.com here. Let's see the news. July 24th looks like the next big news. Today we have leading index change. Not really big news. It's like a 1 star. So not a lot of news today. Keep that in mind. Obviously, Mega Money Monday without any news is normally a choppy Monday, but you never know. Anything's possible. If you have not checked out onlyprofirms.com, we got all the latest, the greatest, the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the loudest, the bigger, the loudest, but we do it all, baby. All the top prop firms. The big news today is that Take Profit Trader, right? Take Profit Trader just dropped that their withdrawals you now get your payouts within minutes. They said that basically, if you request a payout, you can still keep trading the same exact day. It'll clear within seconds. So we might have to try that out at some point. I got some money to withdraw, actually. So we'll see what happens. Stay profit trader. The payouts are faster than ever. You don't like the trailing drawdown? Yeah, I mean, give and take, right? Give and take. Also, guys, I don't know what this is. I'm still waiting for Brett Simba to call me, but what in the world is going on? TJR Island. Sir, what is happening? There's your mentor. TJR Island. Let's go. Can I join the tournament? I want to join the tournament. It's the ultimate trading survival showdown. Trading and survival showdown. Man. These are your trading gurus here. I like. Yeah. It is interesting. I like how the funny thing is, like, I like how TJR like puts his, he like goes up like this. He's like, oh. Fisted him. Love Island for gays. Possibly. Possibly. TJR's got a bunch of fake. TJR's got a bunch of fake APs, but you know we ain't faking around here, chat. We ain't faking around here. We got the real one. We got the real one. We got this one right here costs more than all of his combined. The real. Guys, this is how I'm gonna wear my AP from now on. I'm gonna fist the market. I'm gonna fist it. Yep. Oh man, yeah. What's up, Chad? You guys ready to make some money today? Just out here, you know, just hanging out on Love Island. About to go suck off my bro. Thinking about we can just all suck each other off. You know, if we lose money, we can all just suck each other off. You know, that's the nice thing about the trading island is well. Can you see the back of my haircut? There it is. There, that's good. Man, I don't know. Why are they all? First off, why are they on a couch? Why are they on a couch? I don't understand. Oh, bro. Oh, someone said TJR's mouse open. This is true. Look, what is he putting that? Hold on. This thing is it's becoming more interesting by the moment now. Actually, wait. So these guys, they're all sitting there and they're like hanging out. This kid right here kind of looks like Lucas. This kid, dude. We gotta zoom in a little bit here, just so we can really see the whole cast and crew. Man, fuck. This is definitely like a Lucas setup right here. And then you got this guy. Yeah, somebody did make a point that why is every trading influencer under 30? Yeah, it's interesting. I can't even. Oh man, the ultimate trading survival showdown. How do we watch this? Is it live yet?
All coming my eyes. They were all just understand accurate technical analysis, and they will also have to endure mental.
Wait, so what about the prizes?
Shut up! You might be asking what the top contestant gets if they win. Let's see if they have what it takes.
I want to join this tournament, man. Oh, it said starts July 22nd. Man. Who do you think's gonna win? This guy, I like this guy. Look at this guy. Dude, he's pumping it up right here. He's pumping it. Skyler. If you had a bet, who would you put money on? Dude, that's Lucas over there. Kuzi. Maybe David? He's got glasses. Maybe Nicholas? Benicio. Look up Skyler getting arrested. Oh, I want to see this. How do I look up, what's his name? What's his Instagram name? Brickyard Boy? Is that really it? No. What's his Instagram name? Gotta look it up. Brick Boy Dior, is that what it is? Brick Boy. Oh yeah. Dude. This is your next top guru. Your next trading guru. Are you guys signing up for this guy's mentorship or what? Are you guys signing up for the mentorship or what? Come on. Come on, chat. Who's signing up for this mentorship? I gotta get in on this. I'm trying to get in on this. Oh, I think I found the video here. Where's the audio at?
Okay, but we're here because you were unconscious.
We're just here to make sure you're
Yo, open the fucking door if I really beat the shit out this dude, bro. Oh, hey, that's not gonna happen. What's up, bud? What's going on? You don't want to be seen by the medics? Huh?
Yo, open the door, bro. What are you doing? There's 17 people outside.
All right, bro. He's unconscious and breathing.
Oh, he's got the gas.
Remember the bald head dude? They want to see you. Go see the bald head dude.
Here because you were unconscious.
Dude, he's fucked up on the gas, man.
Please go save some people.
He's fucked up on the gas, man.
Ain't no saving over here.
This is my trading mentor right here, chat, okay? This is him. I don't always have a trading mentor, but when I do, it's the guy that lives in a townhouse. Dude.
Come on, bro. Who's that 33,
Dude, he's so fucked up.
Who's that 33,
They've been body again 3 times since then. Body again 3 times since then. What's that? Yo, bro. Stop resisting. You're gonna get tased.
Oh.
Right here. It's gonna come. Don't do it or you're gonna get tased. Do you hear me? Don't do it. Don't do it. I will tase you. Leave you 4 hours late, gang. You funny, huh? You make brother.
Oh.
I ain't gonna play with y'all because I know how to get down. Don't move. Nigga, what the fuck move?
Dude, why is he saying the N-word?
Get your wife to move in bed, nigga. The fuck?
This is your trading guru in the newest TJR Love Island. Oh man, this is comedy. You gotta love it. Dude's so fucked up on fucking whiffits. Dude, he's tripping out.
You're not like that, gang. I just broke my hand. But I just recovering from my hand being broken. You're not gonna fall my feet down, man. We're not playing with you. Bro, gang, I'm not fucking with you. I'm just telling you my hand has been broken, bro, for the last 3 minutes. Not your fault. Fuck what, bitch?
Bro, what is going on? Oh man, you gotta love it. You can't make this stuff up. Oh gosh, yeah. TJR Love Island. It's already turning out to be such a great new program. I'm really excited for it. I hope that it turns out to be so great. Awesome. I don't know, chat. I don't know, God. I don't know. It's questionable. Very questionable. Good morning, good morning. Right now, Nasdaq pushing up here. Nasdaq pushing up here. We are excited for TJR Island. Excited for it. Man, last night, I don't know if you guys watched, but last night I pulled a Pokemon card. A $6,000 Pokemon card last night. Oh yeah. Did it live on YouTube. No big deal. No big deal. We were streaming last night from 10 o'clock to 12, so. I'm getting ready. Getting ready for market up here.
Yourself, gang. That ball with your job. I said dead 4-3. All right, 29,000. We just talked about the hourly chart right now. We obviously put in that low there on Friday. We took out the previous lows overnight here, kind of pushing up here, holding the close from Friday and pushing. So interesting move here so far. What a time to be alive. What a time to be alive. Had such a fun weekend, just so much fun stuff over the weekend here going down on Twitter. I got 50 Apex accounts to give away today, by the way. We got 50 Apex accounts to give away. You know, we try and do that big giveaway. Mega Money Monday giveaway. Mega Money giveaway. Is my Tradevate working? Now that you add, yeah, seems like it.
It does seem like it. I don't see no problems here. I locked out of my Lucid accounts because we locked in another payout with Lucid. That's right, another payout. This boy's good. He's really, really good. You guys, I can't stop winning. Can't stop winning, chat. And so my Lucid account here, you can see my results for the month of July so far. We just qualified for another payout. So Lucid right now printing, and the best part is like it's just been, you know, small gains. Other than the first 3 days, you know, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm pretty happy with that. We're pretty happy with that, you know. Pretty happy with that. The crazy part is I had some days trading where I didn't even have one losing trade. Right? Like this day, this day, this day. Look at my average loss. Not bad. Just look at it. These are 150Ks, 150K pro accounts with Lucid. 150K accounts. We got them above the buffer, and then we just keep making the minimum to get a payout. So we'll see what happens. Going into a market open right now. Still got plenty of time. 5 minutes here, actually. 5 minutes. Sorry, 5 minutes till market opens. It's time. I love this about Trump. I love that Trump was just standing here. I love this. They're all like, okay, get out of the photo. Trump's like, all right, sounds good. Look at the FIFA guy. FIFA guy's like, Trump's like, nope, I'm gonna be right here. It's so funny. Daddy Trump was like, nope, I'm taking a photo, boys. So funny. I mean, it's not embarrassing, it's hilarious. It's just fucking hilarious. Right? Like it's just funny. Anybody who's butthurt about that is just, you're just butthurt for no reason. Someone said you would love that level of selfishness. I mean, he's the president of America, man. I think it's hilarious. If it was me, I'd be jumping in the middle. I'd be like, let me hold this. That's what I'd be saying. So let me hold this real quick. Let me hold this. It's hilarious, man. He's just having a good time. I don't know. Like people are hating for no reason. And he's just like, what other president is down there like talking to the players and having a good time, you know? I mean, it's just, guys, it's not that serious. You know, it's not that serious, chat. People be like, Patrick, Trump's so mean. Trump's so mean, man. Trump is so mean. Like, it's just funny. Look, like, it's just a funny thing. You know, he's at the fucking soccer game. He's talking to the players. Like, it's just funny. You know, that's all. Like, it's like y'all be like, everybody getting so worked up. You know? Trump's like, I'm the fucking, look at him. He's dancing. Like, it's funny. Like, y'all gotta relax. Y'all gotta relax. The Trump derangement syndrome is just too much. You know? Y'all got problems. Y'all got problems. What do we think? Up or down at open? Up or down at open? Hey, all I know is the same people that be hating on Trump, they're excited for TJR's Love Island, okay? The same people that are hating on Trump are excited for the Love Island. I guarantee that. Do you want to? I guarantee it. I guarantee you, chat, that the same people that are excited for TJR's Love Island trading tournament are the same people that are mad about Trump. You know? Okay? Exactly. Exactly. All right, we're getting ready here for market open. Here we go. About a minute and a half until we go. I already locked out my Lucid accounts for the day because I locked in those payouts, so we're happy about that. No reason to continue doing anything crazy there. Lucid accounts are locked in. 666, it's a little scary. I don't know why I ended at 666, but whatever. The devil is on my side. The devil. We're getting ready here either way, so patience, my friends. Patience. Patience. Right now, Nasdaq pulling back. I think the best plan here is just, I think maybe a swipe to the downside, and then we see if we push back up. So we'll see what happens. Blue Sky, new partner. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, people that get all butthurt about Trump, what are they doing when the market opens? Exactly. What are they doing? Here we go. Market is about to open. 1, 2, 3. Catch me outside. Oh, my Lord. Pump to the upside, maybe. Straight up here. Straight to the upside here. Pumpity pumping. Being patient here. I want to see like a swipe of all these lows first would be ideal. Right? I mean, just kind of holding there now, huh? Fuck. I'm gonna try a quick long here. Quick long, chat. Just like 20 points. Go for 20 points really quick and see if it's gonna pop above this high. Not a very good risk reward, but just kind of holding right there. It should pop up through like the 80s maybe. Try to tap this candle high. Oh, almost. Oh, there we go. I thought that would happen. From the 57s up there to the 72s. Still pushing 80s now. You can kind of see like it did not want to dip down there. Just kind of was holding. I thought that we might kind of push back up, test at least the 80s right there. So W's in the chat. Market was open for 1 minute. If you haven't already WW'd, you know what to do. WWW. Oh my God, that's a 5-minute chart. No wonder it looks so weird. That's a 5-minute chart. I thought something was weird about that. Sorry. I was looking at the 5-minute chart there. Terrible. Well, that worked out. Either way, so congratulations if you got a little quick pop there. Quick little pop. Now we got to see what happens here. I still feel like you'd want to kind of get a pullback maybe into this VWAP level. 28,900, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. First trade of the day there. Green. Still pushing higher, by the way. Look at this. Up there to the highs now. 29,100. Who's still long? Look at this pump. If you got long there at the 50s, that is now 50 points to the upside. Congratulations. Congratulations. You tuned into the #1 day trading channel on YouTube. You're making money with PW. It's too easy. We got the overnight high right now getting taken out. Overnight high has now been taken out. We're kind of pushing up into that gap from last Thursday, like I said, at open or before open. And next level to the upside is going to be 29,192. I do feel like there's more reason for pullback, but I don't know. We'll be patient here. Let's see what happens. Still pushing straight up here so far. So far, straight up. You gotta love it. You gotta love it straight up. God. The other day, I tried to get long at the open like that, and it went straight down. Today, it goes straight up. It's so much fun. And look at that entry now. It looks so... God. All right, well, like I said, just gotta be patient here. See what happens. We got Zubra said he just made 2 days of my job income. Gonna call it a day and enjoy his day off. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. Still pushing. Still pushing. All right, so yeah, I mean, I'm just kind of waiting for some kind of like pullback here, just to kind of, you know, see something. Right now, it's just straight up. It's one of those things where, yeah, you could jump in and it just continues going higher, but, you know, time to relax. Someone said ceasefire for 10 days for Iran deal. So maybe that's the news pumping the market higher right now. 29,140. We are over the overnight high now. I'm just kind of being paid. I cannot believe that this is almost 100 points now from that original entry. That's almost 100 points now, chat. If you would have gotten long down there. God. See, I was trying to be a good boy today. You know, I was trying to be a good boy. Right? Trying to be all responsible and say, hey, take profit. Take profit. And then look, it just keeps going to the moon. By the way, Take Profit Trader just came out with instant payouts. They've got, if you request a payout, you instantly get it, is what they're saying. So we're going to have to try that out at some point. See if I can make some money today and then do an instant. That's 100 points now. I would say, somebody asked, is it a good time to get short? Maybe, I don't know. I think it's a good time to be patient. Problem is, what happens if it just keeps going straight up here? You know? I mean, next like big resistance here really is until, fuck, I don't know what, maybe like into this area, 270s. There's really not, I mean, that was kind of a bleed out that Thursday. We didn't really have a lot of like structure. So we're kind of pushing into that Thursday low right now, kind of in this area here. So maybe some resistance in this area now. I want to see like a decent pullback here. We got the 15-minute range still being set. Still being set here for now. Patience is a value, is a virtue. You want to make money, you got to be patient sometimes. PW, is there a disadvantage to trading micros versus minis? Nope. I would say for most people, trading micros is a great idea. If you're newer to trading and you know, looking for a little less risk, nothing wrong with trading micros. Don't be afraid. Micros can still make a lot of money. I've seen a lot of traders make a lot of money trading micros, so. Oh, Nasdaq just straight up pump. Absolutely straight up pumping here. Absolutely straight up pumping. If you made money on this first move of the day, let me know. How much money did you make? What account did you trade? How many accounts? And how much did you make? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. Who's going to try out the new Take Profit Trader instant payouts? Who's trying it out today? Who's trying it out today? One funding $60. Sophia, 2,000 in Apex accounts, 4K, negative 200. How'd you lose money? You lost $200? Bo Clip says he doesn't trade on Monday. Okay. 5 Lucid accounts, $1,000 per. Let's go. $7,000 for Pro Trader. Y'all be making that money. Nasdaq still just pumping straight up here. All right, well, That is now over 100 points from the original entry there. Insanity. Insanity. No pullback yet. No pullbacks yet. Just trying to be patient here. I know what's going to happen. The minute that I jump in here, it's going to dump 100 points. So just trying to not do that today. We're still waiting for that 15-minute range to be set. This is a large 15-minute range so far. So giving it some time, boys. Giving it some time. Giving it some time. Let it pull back some. There we go. I like that. Let her pull back some more. Let her pull back some more. No rush. Be patient. I mean, ideally, you would want like at least the middle of that 5-minute candle to get tested. Like back into this 90 area, right? Would be ideal. But right now, just kind of bouncing there off that EMA on the 1-minute chart. But I think if we could retest like that 80 area, that'd be great. Giveaway from last night, Micah. Oh yeah, buddy, we got the giveaways. We got 10 accounts from last night going out. We got another 40 going out here today. Fucking A, Nasdaq just gonna try to rip up through there or what? It's like I already know what's gonna happen. The minute that I get long right here, we're gonna pull back. You know? And it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt the minute that I get long. So I gotta let this 5-minute chart kind of set up a little bit better. Let that 5-minute chart set up a little better, pull back into the 90s, and then we look for maybe a long. I don't know. The other play would be basically if we break out through the 50s again, we try a long for the 200 push. We're holding that EMA right now on the 1-minute chart, so. Gotta see. We got about 5 minutes here until the 15-minute range is set. Nvidia's pumping right now. ES is pumping. But you can see it's just kind of looking a little troublesome here. But I would try a long above 150 for a continuation, just like a smaller position. Maybe. Fuck. They're really going to do it. I guess we're in long here. So we'll go for like 20, 30 points. Maybe more. Look for a new high, I guess. Someone said, I think today is a short day. Okay. You go short, I'll go long. We'll see who wins. That was almost 20 points. Got to blow through this 160 area next. There we go. And I might take it right there. Quick little scalp. I don't love that entry. Wasn't the best entry. Maybe it pushes higher, but I'm okay with just locking in that profit there. You can see in these Tradeify accounts right now, we are up 578 times 5 accounts. Just kind of like, I mean, to be honest, the FOMO is real because I missed out on like 100 points right there. We got long right here again, and look at it, still going. So you gotta love it, man. Good time to be patient. We're right here at the top of this 15-minute range so far. We got about 2 minutes left. Right, 2 minutes left here. Still would like a pullback. She might just go higher though. Profit is profit, I agree. Someone said profit is profit. Yes, sir. Oh, man. There she goes. New highs now. Two 180s. If you took that long, congratulations. W's in the chat. Do I get some W's or what? W's or what? We got a pivot point coming up here. Pivot point coming up there. 29,192. 29,192. We got to get more likes on the stream, guys. I'm giving you guys just free money. We got 550 likes. We got to get to 1,000 likes. Come on. I am, guys, that is 2 winning trades. 2 winning trades here today, right? For free. I'm not charging anybody. I don't have a Discord. I don't have a fucking book. Well, I do have a book, but I don't make you buy it. But you know, hey, we're just out here living the dream, baby. Still going higher, by the way. 29,180. If you took that long from the 150s, that is 30 points to the upside there. Do you have an island? God damn it. I don't have an island. Chat, I'm a failure. I'm a failure. I do not have an island of boys. But TJR does. Man, look at this. Guys, these are your next top day traders in the space. Are you guys not excited to watch this? The #1 day traders in the world are all going to TJR's house to put their peepees in his mouth. His mouth is already open. He is ready to fuck. You gotta love it. I'm excited for it. I think it's gonna be great. It'll make for some great content. That's for sure. It'll make for some great content. Well, there you go. Nasdaq breaking out here, 15-minute range. She's going, gone. Still pushing. 190s now. Congratulations if you're still long. That long from fucking the 57s now is looking really good, huh? Wow, what a pussy. Big old pussy over here. I've been like, this is big pussy boy. There's no pullbacks. Someone said, yeah, well, I don't have an island of boys. What can I say? You know, I don't have an island of boys. I got to get a boy island. Anybody want to come join me on my boy island? Honestly though, chat, how many of you guys in this chat would love to go to the TJR island and hang out with all those dudes? I mean, I'm just wondering, you know, I'll do a little poll here. How many of you guys would like to go spend time on the island with the boys? All right, I'm just wondering, you know, is there anybody in my chat that would like to go to the island? This is not my island. This is TJR island, okay? There's a poll in the chat. You have an opportunity, guys. If you could go get a first-class plane ticket to go hang out with the top day traders in the world, would you go? Would you go? Would you go do it? On TJR island? Man, 15% of you said you would do it. You freaky freaks. Who said they're gonna, who voted yes? Who voted yes? Who voted yes? Who did that? Which one of you voted yes? All right, Nasdaq pushed right up there to that pivot point, got stuck. So finally getting some pullback here. I want to see a better bull flag setup, right? Well, you would like to, I mean, I think, again, it's still the same idea, right? We get a pullback all the way into here, and then we go higher, right? That's what I mean, because if you play it like this, you kind of want to see like these candle lows get taken out. So it's like into here and then out of here. Into here and then out of here. Right now, we've got the 15-minute range set. We did break out through the highs, but right now just kind of holding on here. The top of the range is 181. Pivot point right there at the 90s. So we're going to have to see what happens. I basically would love to see these candle lows get taken out, basically. PSC Westy, have an island for us girls. Oh, we're gonna have a girl trading island, an island of trading girls. I like it. Corn Dog Island. Corn Dog Island. Who wants to go to Corn Dog Island? Hang out with the homies. You know what the BDH needs, actually? The BDH needs a stud island. An island of studs. Like only the hottest studs there are can go to the island, and then I'll be the host. We'll have 20 hot ass studs. I'm talking about the most manly, the biggest, the largest, hottest studs there are. All right, I'm looking for hot studs. All right, looking for some hot studs. If you're a hot stud in the chat, let me know. Let me know. Any hot studs in the chat? We're gonna have an island of studs. Stud army. It's an army of studs. All right, so there we go. We're getting that pullback just like we talked about. We're taking out those lows now, so let's see what happens here. Could be a lot of chop. Just be aware of that, you know. That's kind of a bearish engulfing candle to the downside. So, got to see what happens here now. ES is pulling back a little bit more. Nvidia did gap up, but just trying to see what's going to happen right here now. What's gonna happen at the tippity top. TJR Island, but Tory Trade pegs them all. Damn. Tory Trades, TJR Island, pegging? Seems a little suspect. I'm not sure if I can support that. I don't know if I can support that. Trend lines right to the butt. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, we're doing it live right now. We just had 2 winning trades back to back. 2 winning trades here. Come on, chat. Let's get those likes blown up. I'm trying to give away 40 accounts today. 40 Apex accounts. That's right. I got 40 Apex accounts to give away. All right, I got 40 Apex accounts. What am I drinking right now? I'm drinking a Celsius. Peach vibes. I like this. It's good. It's probably it's terrible for you, but it's good going down. Man, oh man, that's about 100 points here so far, pulling back. We talked about this pullback kind of into this previous 5-minute candle, and as you can see, here we are back to the EMAs. No need to be greedy today. We took 2 trades so far today from the 57s, from the 46s, and we are currently up $2,500 in 5 of the Tradeify accounts. We locked out our Lucid accounts as well overnight. So we traded Lucid. We locked in another big payout. There's that big dump right back down now. So good thing we did not get long at the top up there. You got to be careful here, though. This could be just a big old chop zone, right? Are they going to do something down here? They're going to do something down here, chat. Where do you enter for the giveaway? Oh, there's only one place to go. Oh my lord, it's straight down now. Fuck. Waterfall. Well, we got the VWAP down here at the 970s. So see what happens. We pushed right up there to that pivot point. That pivot point was spot on, 29,190 area pivot point, straight down from there. Dude, TGR is live for the oh yes, look at this. Guys, do you not want to go hang out in this house? Look at this house right now. Look at this house right now, chat. What is going on in here? God, the gayness is overwhelming. Absolutely overwhelming gayness. This is what you guys can go watch. Go watch day traders learning from this guy. Look at that. What are they even doing over there? That's the guy that fucking this guy right here is this guy, right? He's that muscle man. The guy in the back right here, this is him. It's pretty funny. You gotta watch the crash out video if you haven't seen it already. I think I'm just waiting to see what. There he is. Dude, look at his. What's in his hand? Dude, he is fucked up on Whiff It.
This is someone who's lost. This is someone who is completely not.
Oh man.
He explains this video. He doesn't remember.
Gotta love it.
Be real with yourself, gang. That moment you job, I said damn 3-4 times. I ain't got a problem with you. What the fuck you doing if I repeat the shot? This dude, bro. This is someone.
Brick boy. Gotta love it. Good old brick boy. I like that we're, really putting the highest level of people on, top of the day trading world. Lazo said that's not TGR. No shit, idiot. But look at this guy. What has this guy got in his hair? Oh man, the level of stupidity on another level. On another level of stupidity. Right now, Nasdaq just pulling back here, bottom of the 15-minute range. There we go, making new lows now. Breaking the 15-minute range, the downside, but I want to see what happens here. We're still above the 15-minute, we're still above that VWAP there. Very bearish engulfing candle right now, though. Does not look too hot, but maybe just chopping. What do you think? Chopping? I feel like if I get short down here, it's gonna pop straight back up, right? Isn't that always what happens? You short at the bottom, it goes right back up. If I don't short, then it's gonna go straight back down. Look at that. Hourly candle swiped all the highs straight back down now. The next area is like 985 maybe. We get a little bit of a bounce back into this VWAP 60 area. Big blow off top there on the hourly chart. So you got 2 minutes left on this hourly candle. Straight down now. I feel like you're probably gonna get some kind of bounce around this level, but let's see. Still just going. Let's get that, maybe get down here to this VWAP, see what happens. 960 area. There's a little bit of news at 10 o'clock, but it's like a 1-star news, so nothing too crazy. Can you explain what the VWAP is? That's the very wet ass pussy. Very wet ass pussy. We got 889 likes right now. Can we get more likes? It's just kind of like slowly moving down here. For now. Just slowly moving down here. Yeah, why it's crazy how slow it's moving, huh? You guys noticing how slow the market's like it kind of went fast for a minute, but now it's like just slowly moving down here. It's weird. It's just like sitting down there. Like part of me wants to try to catch a bottom down here, and I don't really want to do it, but I feel like there's a spot to bounce, like maybe this 60 area. We got the VWAP right there. I'm gonna try a long. I think we get a little bounce for 10, 20 points back up here. Do you go live every day? Oh yeah, buddy. Every day, buddy boy. That was 10 points, by the way. Can we get 20 though? I want 20. Kind of targeting that previous little 1 minute candle high area maybe, but back down again. Oh my God. So weird. This price action right now is very weird. And I'm gonna pull this down a little bit. I'm gonna try to add at the 60s down here at the VWAP level. Now she's just bleeding out, starting to move a little better, but I think we're gonna get some kind of reaction to this VWAP level. We'll see. We're right there, 960s. Looking for some kind of reaction here off the VWAP. Maybe a little early, maybe. We'll see. I'll take some off right there, and then I'll take some off right there for nice and easy $3,000. So yeah, I mean, again, kind of guys, think about it like this, right? We took out the 15-minute range low, kind of expecting some kind of pushback up here. We had three big red 5-minute candles. We had the VWAP right there. And also, there's something to be said, right? We had all these lows, like all these lows. Look at how like all these candles were just like ding, 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 ding. So I was thinking that we could overshoot these lows, tap into the VWAP, and then we get that pushback up. So it's still going back up. If you took that long there, congratulations. I want to see some more W's in the chat. D-Money gets like 1 million W's on 10 points. You know, come on, I got to get more than that. That was a minimum of 20 points right there, chat. Is it time for shorts? Not yet. I gotta think that there's a possibility this could chop, right? That's 3 trades, by the way. That is 3 winning trades in a row today. I just want to put that out there. I'm not trying to toot my own horn. I'm not trying to brag. But I showed you guys the entries. I showed you guys my thought process. I showed you every single part of this trade. 3 trades today, 3 winning trades. Every single trade that I took, there was more profit made, right? So if you tune in every day, look at that. That is almost 100 points back up now. So I'm just letting y'all know, again, you know, it ain't about, you know, I'm not trying to brag, but I'm being honest with you, right? I'm being honest with you. Sometimes you're good, right? Sometimes you're good. So we took trades this morning in our Tradeify accounts there. That's 1, 2, well, 1 trade. The second trade, we locked in $2,500 in those 50K Tradeify accounts, and then those are my Lucid accounts, and then we locked in $3,000 in those evals last night, but we got these 3 pro accounts that were up $1,000 each in. So let's go. Those accounts have $11,000 balance right now. I might need to go test out that new payout feature. Should we go test out the new payout feature and see how fast it is at Take Profit Trader? Let's do it. Let me go try it. I'm gonna go try it. I'm gonna just request $1,000. $1,000. All right. To avoid processing delays, let me go like this. I'm gonna go $1,000. Oh God. Confirm and withdraw. I hope I can't press it because it might show my password, but let's see what happens. Can we get an instant payout here live on YouTube? It went. Dude, it's already gone. That was instant. Guys, literally instant right now. Holy shit. Look at that. That was $1,000 instantly. They took out of my account and put it into my wallet. Bro. No, honestly, that was instant. Guys, that was literally instant. I made that. Remember, I had 11,000. That was live on YouTube, by the way. So that's pretty cool. Because watch, I'll do it again. These accounts right here, these are pro accounts. We got 11,000 balance. Let's do another $1,000 withdrawal really quickly. Nasdaq is looking a little bearish, but the problem is I want to get us below the VWAP before I try to get bearish or get going here. So, all right, we'll try one more account here. 55553, is that the one that I want to do it in? No, I want to do it in 145. 145. All right. We're doing another withdrawal here. Another $1,000 just to show you, right? So that's $1,000 withdrawal. You can see my balance right now is 11,000 in that account. So get out the calculator here, or get out the stopwatch, right? Get out the stopwatch here, people. All right, I'm gonna request this. It'll say checking account. Oh, funds transferred successfully. Now let's see if it's out of my account in Tradeivate. Holy fuck! Guys. That is instantly out of my account. I mean, that's pretty fucking sick. That is pretty fucking sick. It was instantly transferred. Instantly. I mean, this is like, I just made $1,000 and I just paid myself. All right, you know, like, I'm not tooting my own horn here, but like, let's try it again. Let's do one more, right? Let's do one more, just to see if it's, you know, is it fake? Is it fake? Is it? We'll do another one too. We'll do, we'll request 2,000 from this account. right? We're gonna request 2,000. So we're requesting 2,000. Funds transfer successfully. Guys, this is too fast. Holy fuck. Literally instantly transferred. I'm not lying. This is honestly mind-blowing right now, chat. It goes right into your wallet. It takes it out of the account so you can't lose it, right? I can't lose that money because now it's in my wallet. Pretty amazing. How much, how long does it take to go from your wallet to your bank? That might take a little longer. So I gotta request 25,000. All right, I'm gonna request that. I'll give you an update if it clears fast or not. So it says right now request has been sent. We'll see how long it takes until it's like actually I can transfer it to my bank account. All right, Nasdaq just holding up here for now. Going nowhere quickly. Yeah, I mean, the nice thing is that, like I said, you can't, once you withdraw that money into your wallet, you can't lose it, right? So that's kind of like, obviously, that's nice. So it kind of stops you from going on tilt. If you're up $1,000 or whatever it is, you withdraw and then you at least guarantee that profit. So take Profit Trader, withdraw payouts instantly. That's big news. Right now they're 40% off, no fee to activate either. All right, we're moving down here, back to the VWAP again. Like I said, I want to see us get through the VWAP here. If I'm looking for a bearish move, we do have the gap, the Friday close. Friday close is down there at 28,775. That would be kind of the shorts. That's where they want to take it to, right? The overnight low area, got a kind of a triple bottom down here. It's there's that move, 960s now. Still kind of just like moving through the VWAP here. Looks like we're gonna give up the VWAP though. Looks like we're definitely giving up the VWAP here. Just want to be careful it's not like a double bottom here. I might look for a short if we push back up towards this 80, 90 level, if it's possible. It might not. Let's just see what happens here. I'm gonna put an order out there, 86s, to see if it's gonna, I don't know, hold on. I'm actually gonna wait. I'm gonna wait because we're still right there at the VWAP. So let's see what happens. Oh, there's that move through the right through there now. Fuck. Does not look hot. It's probably just gonna start bleeding out here. I gotta figure out when to get short. Trying to get a little pushback up here. Just don't want to give it to me. Give it to me, you fuckers. It's just stuck there now. I don't want to short the bottom here. I feel like I'm shorting the bottom down here if I get short right now. But it's still just bleeding. Fuck it. We're going. Let's go for like a, since our entry's not that good, we'll go for 10 points. Down there into the 30s possibly. Are you also streaming via Zoom? No. I don't use Zoom. This is gonna be the chap. See? I fucking knew it. Fucking knew it. Right back up. All right, so I'm looking to add to this short, possibly like 980s would be ideal, but maybe not. take me down. If we go right to the 30s, I'll be fine with that. Little pushback up here. Patrick, why are you not watching TJR Island? I know, I should be watching it. All right, there's that little pushback up. I'm gonna add right there. Wow, look at this. Veracity back up here now. Veracity. Wow, this is not good. I'm gonna get clapped here. Just straight back up, right off the VWAP there. It's exactly what we didn't want to happen. But we should be able to get out of it. Let's see what happens. As long as you stay below 900, we should be good here. I think this is just like some chop. Need it back below this 960s quickly. Just holding up there. Come on, come on, come on. Let's roll over here, boys. There we go. Oh. She's really being a bitch. She's gonna squeeze. Right there at the fucking VWAP. Son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. Wow. Straight back up. Nvidia's pulling back. ES is kind of bouncing. Nasdaq's kind of bouncing. This is retarded. Yeah, I know. Needed to wait for the fucking VWAP pullback. I said that. You're right, chat. You're right. If we don't get reject, I got to get out of this soon. This is not looking good. I want to see what happens here at 900s. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Painful. I need to dump here. Get this move back below the 70s here. Come on, get back below the VWAP here, Nasdaq. I'm just gonna take it off right there for basically break even. That was like a small profit, but I don't want to like play with it. Look, now it's gonna fucking dump. Classic. We got to get away from this VWAP here. We're just kind of chopping around at the VWAP right now. Now it's gonna roll over here. If we lose these lows, I'm gonna try to short again. Okay, we're shorting again. I want to see a new low here. There's that 40s getting tested. Almost. Just chopping around down here. Yeah, motherfuckers. Chop City. $940's held again. Get through that 940s. We should go downtown. That's what I'm looking for. 940s to break. I think there's a possibility of moving all the way back to the 800s today. Fill that gap from Friday. Looking for a new low here through this 40 area. I need to go. Come on. Wow. Double bottom. Double bottom. Nvidia's going for possible gap fill. Nasdaq's just kind of holding up here. I think we're gonna go. We just gotta get through the, oh my god. Oh, fuck me. It's a bear flag on the 5-minute chart, chat. It's gonna go. It just needs to get through there. 40s again. Come on. Not again, chat. Not again. There we go. There we go, boys. We're bleeding. I'm taking some profit here on this bleed out and then keeping a runner for maybe some more to the downside there. These are my take profit trader accounts, pro accounts. We just took a $1,000 payout live. I'm kind of moving this down a little bit just to guarantee at least 20 points here. How low can we go though? I mean, fuck. We can go further for sure. I'm gonna put that right there at the 40s now, so we're guaranteed at least, you know, I don't even know how much that is, but we're guaranteed it. Swiping it back up. Are they gonna take it? All right, we're popped out there for now. Still, I'm fine with that. That was another, that's $3,000 here in those take profit trader accounts. Let's see if I can get another, let me see if I can request another payout. Do another payout here. Let's see if we can do another one. Can we do another one? Let's see. All right, so we just requested 1,000. Let's see if we can do another 1,000. Another 1,000. Another 1,000 payout there, so that's cool. That's pretty cool. That'll be what that account. What account is that? That's 4.5. Let me go do another 1,000. 4.5. 4.5. Where's 4.5 at? All right, we got another payout, and funds transferred. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. I mean, that's honestly probably the best thing in the world for me, because you know I love to give back profits. And as you can see here, we're up 11,395 now. So we were up 12,000. Well, we had 12,000. Now we're at 11,000. So. Yeah, these are pro accounts. You can see the pro. These are pro accounts. Look at that pop back up here. I'm happy we took profit. Sometimes you got to know when to trail them. Right now, this market is just chopping around here at the, you know, Financial crime accountability says now do it without misleading your chat. What do you mean? How am I misleading my chat? What is that guy talking about? How am I misleading my chat? Are you guys misled here? Is this, I'm confused. Who's misleading who? Do it without misleading your chat. I'm just, you said, did you stutter? I'm trying to figure out what does that mean? How am I misleading the chat? I'm trying to figure out. I've shown every single trade today. It means what I said. What is he talking about? Guys, I showed every trade today. Literally every trade live. I don't know how I could mislead anybody here. Post your timestamps? What? Post my timestamps? What does that mean? My timestamps? I did it live. No, I mean, I'm just interested. That's all. I don't, you know, I'm just interested to see how I'm misleading anybody. We're trading live. I'm not charging any money. I mean, I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm just confused how I'm misleading anybody. Josh says, how do your group accounts jumping back and forth? Yeah, I mean, I just kind of have multiple tabs open, right? So if I'm trading, I just have multiple tabs open. You know, it's kind of just like, I'll switch with a tab, trade these ones, you know, kind of thing. Little pushback up here right now, 29,000s. I'm not opposed to a long here for maybe a pushback up into the middle of the 15-minute range, possibly 29,000 there. So yeah, I don't know, man. Again, I'm sorry for that guy. He said I was misleading him. That's not my intentions here. You know, that's not my intentions. I apologize for misleading you. In the future, I won't show my trade live. You know, I don't want to, you know. Man, over the weekend, guys, I found the funniest thing on the internet. We're going to wait and see what happens here as this candle closes, if we can push back into the middle of the range. But man, over the weekend, I found this this website that showed that Funded Futures family filed a lawsuit against me last year. But this is where it gets funny, chat. This is where it gets funny. It gets very funny because, well, it's fun. Well, that's already funny, but let's get more funny, right? So they filed the lawsuit on the 3rd, right? But get ready for this. This is where it gets funny. And then on the 20th, they filed to dismiss. Oh man. Interesting. Oh man, it's good. It's good stuff. It's good stuff, man. It's good stuff. It's funny too because the CEO of the company says that he talks about the biggest investments that he's making isn't marketing, it's engineering. But their reviews on the websites, they're giving out free accounts for reviews on websites. You're telling me that's a real review? You're telling me that somebody bought a prop firm account, went to this website, and then wrote one of the best futures prop firms, got the best challenges with the easiest rules, the cheapest prices. You can't find a better firm? Like, you're telling me that somebody actually wrote that as a review? This is actually my favorite review of all, right? It says, I've reached the funded stage before. Although I don't currently have an account, I haven't received a payout yet. So far, FFS is my favorite because the rules are simple, transparent, and there are no hidden restrictions. I hope I can get another account soon and finally receive my first payout. Is that I'm just wondering, people in the chat, like if you read that, does that make you think that's a real review? Are you like, oh, is that a real review? Oh man, and then it gets better. It gets even better because, well, all I did was a quick little search and I found this billboard, right? If you've ever been to Mexico, this is the Mexican side of the border, right? So, I mean, I don't know a lot about Medicare. I truly don't. I don't know a lot about it, but I mean, we're running ads for Medicare in Mexico now? So, what? Why? I don't understand why are American Medicare insurance companies or brokers or whatever you want to call them, why are they running Medicare ads in Mexico? I don't know. I'm confused. I don't know. I don't know what that means. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. Look at this push right back into the VWAP. Like I said, I like that long idea off the 900s. There she goes, straight back up here now. That might have been the play, I guess. Why were they suing me? Well, in the lawsuit that they filed, they said that this was the lawsuit. They said plaintiffs were damaged as a result of Wieland's statements. For example, between February 28th and March 3rd, FFF lost 68 customers, which figure is significantly higher than typical similar timeframes. They lost 68 customers because of me. They lost 68 customers because of me. I do like that. But maybe it wasn't because of me. Maybe it was because, I don't know, because this was the old owner of, I want to clarify, this is the old owner. This is the old owner of FFU, the old one, not the current one. This is the old one. Just make that clear for everybody.
Video is to tell you guys, and I guess to announce that I am your new and sole owner and founder of the Funded Futures family. I'm taking 100% control of back-end operations. Danny, my ex-partner, will no longer be with us. I'll get into that in a moment. And I just wanted to take a second to really stress that, you know, I take a passion in everything that I do and doing it extremely. Video is to tell you guys.
Oh man. And then also, this is also my favorite. Don't ever forget this point, right? When Funded Futures family, this is obviously before Danny's dad took over, right? This is before, by the way. I want to make that clear. Not the current owner, but the previous owner of the company. You know, Danny Trades was the owner, and then his dad took over. So just to make that clear, this is not talking about the current owner, but this is talking about the current owner's son. Current owner has a son who used to own the current owner. His son used to own it, but now his dad owns it. Never mind. I'm confused. But yes, remember when Danny said he was up $300,000? Do you guys remember? God, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. Patrick can't post this type of proof. I mean, honestly, that was the funniest shit I've ever seen in my life. Let's not waste time on this. We just wait. We're hanging out. We all hanging out. We hanging out. Just hanging out, man. Ugh. Oh, also news about Lucid. Lucid's got looks like a new app. That's cool. The Lucid trading app. Lucid right now is 40% off. No activation fee either. No daily losses. Man, so much new stuff today. It's Monday, baby. Monday, baby. It's Monday, baby. Oh, music too loud. Sorry. Sorry. My bad. Dude, financial, this guy's on another level. This guy, surely there are no operators in the chat controlling the narrative. What? Now we have operators in the chat. Guys, I want to tell you the truth. The FBI is in the chat. All right. I work with the FBI. I have operators. Guys, Antifa is in the chat. Antifa. I said surely there wasn't. Oh. What? Dude, hey, are there any operators in this chat? We got any operators? Anybody an operator around here? We got any operators? Oh man. Anybody an operator up in here? I mean, this could be along with the push, right, off this VWAP level if we're gonna push. 29,000, you could put a stop. It's like a 30-point stop. I don't know. Let's see what happens if we bounce here. I mean, maybe it's kind of rolling over here again on the 5-minute chart. We pushed up to the bottom of the 15-minute range, got stuck there. Now we're rolling back over, so we just got to get away from this VWAP, man. Yeah, maybe we want to get above the orb first. Yeah, that might be a better play. That might be a better play, honestly. Nothing wrong with being patient right here. We've had plenty of trades today. We've had a couple winning trades, couple little break-even trades, couple winners, couple losers. Actually, I had one loser, I think. I had one loser today, right? I think I had one loser today. It happens. Yeah, we had one small loser, so we'll take it. We'll take one loser. You can see my stats right here, you know, just for the FBI guy in the chat. Bro, this guy is on another level. This guy's a conspiracy theorist. Look at the teamwork in the chat as the panic sets in. There definitely aren't operators in the chat. At least not good ones. What does that even mean? What is happening right now? Chat, what is happening? Can somebody help me? Can somebody help me? There's definitely no operators in this chat. But yeah, this is my results trading those Take Profit Trader Pro accounts today. You can see we made 4,000. We gave back a little bit of profit on the day. Right now we're up 3,000 times 3. That's 9. It's like $10,000 on the day. We took 2,000, like almost $3,000 and paid 4,000, 5,000. He thinks the chat is working for you. Well, actually, the chat is nothing but it's all bots. My whole entire chat is a bot. So They're bots. I see that TJR's Island is still going on. Let's listen what they're doing over there. Dude, look at these guys. Don't you guys... Why is he sweating like that? Don't you guys want to go move into a house with a bunch of dudes and learn to day trade? Look at these guys. What is even happening right now? What are these guys doing?
Everyone was asking me, or people were saying like, oh, you should have brought a girl. Imagine if there was a girl here. Exactly, bro. Imagine if there was a girl here, bro. Like
Everyone would have their turn.
I actually would have. I
like,
actually would have to
flowers.
uppull on like
Flowers.
literally
Yeah,
everyone, bro.
I mean, I can look-y see Jake Ryan as a girl.
What is happening?
Yeah, I've seen it with the
I can
filter.
look-y like...
Literally,
wouldn't
bro.
mind.
Shit's TJR daycare, not TJR Island. It's insane, bro.
Bro, you can't be girls. You gotta be locked in.
She would call 911. Literally.
Are they trading or what are they doing right now?
So what?
Looks like they're trading ICT.
No, I know, but I remember what I was saying.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like it.
I'll just let him lose it.
ICT traders should have known.
All right, we got 7 minutes left.
Eval.
7 minutes.
Like this guy gets paid to be a mentor, by the
7
way.
minutes.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna be honest, I can just wait.
you don't.
These guys get paid to be mentors, by the way.
You're beating
Just
Ava right
saying.
now?
I'll beat him.
Uh-oh, he's short right now. Oh, he just got stopped out. Oh, ouch.
And you're slowing down.
Oh, shorted down at the VWAP, sir. Gotta watch the stream. Learn how to day trade.
like 2 bands right now, bro. Fuck.
Nah, his shit did just hit TP. If I remember.
Bro, this thing is actually in a dinker and you're holding on.
Oh my god, he toxic. So you swear.
I'm not gonna lie. Did your TP get hit yet? Or no?
I don't want to say too much.
Okay, good.
I want him to do some guesswork on what he has to do.
Okay.
Cuzzy, why you
I can't. Ugh. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know what's going on in this industry. It's scary. It's absolutely scary. Sometimes, I mean, I don't know. Oh God, it's absolutely scary. What's funny though is like like we said earlier, like let's look at this. I want to look at this, right? I want to see something here in the chat. This is still looking like it wants to move down again. I want to see something. I want to see how many people in the chat are over the age of 30. All right, age. We'll do an age here. Because I think that majority of my followers are at least 30 plus. Like, I don't think there's that many. Sorry, the music again. Sorry, my bad. Right? Like, I don't think there's that many 20-year-olds that are trading like futures. I don't think there is. So. Yeah, I don't know. 40 plus, look at that. We're fucking 50% of the chat is 40 plus. So, yeah. I would say that the BDH has the best traders out there, baby. The best, the biggest, the largest. Oh, look, we got a little post from ICT. He goes, I want you to doubt me. Keep my name in your mouse and work for free. I love this app. He's cooked. Absolutely cooked. All right, we're kind of rolling over here now. Is this a short setup? I just want to get away from this VWAP level. I don't like this VWAP level bullshit. Kind of chopping around here. So, could be a W pattern. Yeah, it could be. Just kind of chopping around right now. We don't have a lot of news today, right? We don't have a lot of news today, so. Money Trader said he's 89. You're 89? Dude, financial crime. he's still going. He's still going, man. He's still. I love cognitive dissonance. It makes people so predictable. Oh my God. Financial crime. I'm honestly interested to just. I want to know what you're talking about. Can you just give me, like, I'm not even trolling you right now. Can you just, like, say what you're talking about? Like, what do you think is going on here? Honestly, like, just give me your synopsis on what is, you know, going on here. I want to hear it. Don't just say, like, oh, I know that you know. Just, like, say it, you know what I mean? Like, say what you think. I think he's saying PW is taking advantage of 80-year-olds. True. True that. Ginger said that account opened today. Uh-oh. Is it Manny Miraz, the owner of FFF? It might be. It might be. Maybe it's Manny. El Patron, FFF. This is what, you know what I really love too, is he tried to like come at me the other day, right? Like, he's like, are you accusing me of Medicare fraud? I said, no. I'm saying that Medicare fraud runs rampant in this country. Obviously, you being an upstanding business owner means that, you know that that's an issue. You know, the business model of Medicare insurance it's an affiliate business model, you know? And I'm not saying that Manny is a scammer, but, all I'm saying is that there's a lot of issues with the Medicare, you know, industry, especially when you reward agents or brokers to buy in an affiliate business model. I'm just saying, like, it's hard to be transparent, you know. It's hard to be, transparent, you know. I don't know. I'm just, you know. I like this point though. He wrote this whole post saying that keep spreading false claims and I'll continue responding with facts. If you want a real discussion, I'm happy to have one. But if you keep making things up, don't be surprised when your own public history gets brought into conversation, including how you handle disputes with competitors. That's part of the record too. Should I be worried? Should I be worried, chat? Are you guys gonna find out about how I handle my competitors? God, it's so dumb. It's literally so dumb. It's just so dumb. It's so dumb. You can't make this shit up. You can't make it up. It's almost like it hurts my brain to even think about it. And I love the fact that, like, he said that I was avoiding being served. So, and it's funny because he says if you're gonna criticize Funded Futures family as it exists today, then talk about his ownership after February 20th. Stop blurring the timelines. Well, on May, so January, February, March, April, May. So Danny's dad took over the company in February. Danny was proven to be a scammer in February. And then in March, so March, April, May, and then so in May, Funded Futures family was promoting Danny Trades once again. So interesting how that works. It's interesting. So you're telling me that I can't talk about the current owner of the company, but the current owner of the company is the father of the previous owner who was a proven scammer. Okay, makes sense. It all just makes sense now. Nasdaq moving down here. We're just like fucking chop, like it's the most annoying chop area. How's who scamming? Who's scamming? Who you said who's scamming? You just asked me who's scamming? What? You're asking me who's scamming? All right, is that a real question? Is that a real question? Is that a real question? That's not a real question, is it? You're not being a real question, is it? You're not like, that's not like a real, you're joking, right? You're joking, you're kidding, right? You're kidding, right? This is how they scammed, right? So Danny, he said, I'm gonna be owed a lot of apologies and potentially a lot of money in defamation. Tomorrow morning, he's gonna show a Trade-Evate rep to join me live to verify his trading. And then Jay Dunn wrote, make them eat their words, Danny. They're gonna look bad. They're gonna look bad. And then literally like 2 days later, Danny got caught in his own video. So yeah. No, I think the proof is there. The proof is there. It's somewhere. I love that I'm exposing Patrick Wieland for his lies and proving that he's up $300,000. He's gonna prove it. He's gonna prove it, chat. He proved it all right. This is his broker statement. Look, he proved it. Man, Danny Trades really proved it. He proved it, and I fucking did. I went to jail. Nasdaq still just moving down here. I'm a little worried. We're just gonna chop around here. I don't know. Did you take any shorts? Currently, I have not taken any shorts. We are below the VWAP here. We got the VWAP up there at the 975s. If we push back up like into here and then get denied again, I might look for a short. I think we're kind of like moving down to fill that gap. I'm gonna start the position right here. Right, and this is my idea. My idea is that we could fill this gap here today. This is that Friday close, that dotted line down there, 775. So if we lose 900s, we should go straight down, right? I mean, look at that instant rejection there again. Oh, I like it. I like it. Can we get through 900s? I might just take it. 30 points, really easy. Sometimes it's easy. I like it when it's really easy, chat. Really easy there. Hey, I like that. I am never gonna not take 30 points. Well, sometimes I will, but I mean, let's be honest. When you can enter a trade and then instantly get filled for a 30-point win, is it even worth fighting it? You know what I mean? Is it even worth zero drawdown? You gotta love those trades. They're beautiful. That is the 9 EMA on the chart. Right now we're looking at Right now we're looking at Trade-Evate. Trade-Evate platform, you can copy trade on Trade-Evate. I have 5 of the Tradeify accounts. 5 Tradeify accounts. Right now they're 40% off. They got the 5-pack bundle hitting as well. So yeah, no, I love those trades. You gotta love those trades, man. I use chasing stops. It's the best. Yeah, I like that too. So there you go. W's in the chat. W's. We're winning. We got some giveaways coming up. I just texted Denny. Ginger, you got my insurance for the warehouse yet? Where's Ginger at in the chat? I saw her earlier. Where'd she go? Ginger, get to work. Where's my insurance at? Guys, I got a new warehouse. Check out this new warehouse I got. 10,000 square feet of fucking fun. Check this out. It's gonna be big. The biggest warehouse you've ever seen. I don't even know what I'm gonna do in that warehouse. I'm just gonna fucking get naked and do freaky shit. This is not my stuff in there right now, by the way, but this is for my racing team to put all my bullshit. 10,000 square feet, baby. Look at that. The biggest, the largest. I'm pretty excited either way. It should be pretty fun. Okay, yeah, I don't. The BDH warehouse. PW, who did you have winning the World Cup? I don't watch football or soccer, sir. I don't like watching men chasing balls. Right? I don't like watching. Mamba FX is kind of bigger. He's not bigger. I have more money than everybody in this whole entire industry. I'm richer than TJR. I'm richer than Mamba. I don't know why anybody would ever compare me with anybody else. Guys, I'm on a whole nother level. Right? There's not one influencer, not one day trader in this whole entire space that has a helicopter. Right? And also, who else in this space has a Lorax working for them? Let's be honest. Mamba FX does not have a Lorax. Someone thinks Mamba. You think Mamba FX is richer than me? Guys, I have my own helicopter. What are you talking about? Literally, I have a helicopter. Like literally, FX. Guys, I'm richer than all of them. I'm richer than FX, Alex G, all of them. You fucking. I have a helicopter. Like it's a helicopter. This is more than a Bugatti, you idiot. God, the chat is cooked. Nasdaq's still going lower. Owning a helicopter is actually not as expensive as most think. Oh, do you have a helicopter candid work table? What in the fuck? What do you have a helicopter? Y'all idiots. Everyone in the chat, y'all, people think that Alex G got more money than me. You all idiots. Guys, I got a $140,000 Pokemon card. All right, let's be honest. Who's got a $140,000 Pokemon card? Check this out, though. I bought this Pokemon card. This was the highest all-time sale of this Pokemon card back in February, right? Look at that. Record highest ever sale. Yes, I bought it. Me, the biggest, the largest. And look at the recent sale. That's not mine. Somebody else just sold one that's similar. Mine's better because it's got a certification. But this one sold for $175,000 on eBay. All right, on eBay. Still going lower, by the way. If you took that short, congratulations. Look at it. Down there through the 900s, another rejection up there. I think we're heading lower. It's just the problem is trying to get the right entry here. If we pop back up like right to like not, I would try another short right here. See if I get filled right there. Just looking for kind of the same play as earlier, right? Kind of just a straight back down move here. Yeah, that's really good. I'll take that right there. If we can get filled for 20 points. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Another winning trade. I'm on fucking fire right now, boys. Too easy. It's too fucking easy, boys. Too easy. It's too easy. Kayla, when did you reach your first million? Fucking 1998. Can I make profit from your live stream? Someone just said. No. This is not financial education. Hey Patrick, what percentage of your income comes from YouTube? 1% of my income comes from YouTube. I don't make any money on YouTube. Like, actual money. I've showed you guys my things and no one ever believes me. That was a very easy trade there, chat. Very easy. We like it like that. I like those easy trades. If I can get 20 points really easily, nah, I'll take that all day. I'll take that all day. This is my lifetime earnings on YouTube, right? Look at this. Are you ready? Is it loading? I think it's loading. I've been on YouTube for so long, it takes a while to load. Oh my God. Since I've been on YouTube, I've made $482,000. But that, guys, I've been on YouTube since 2017. So. Nasdaq still going lower here. Financial crime accountability. Are you afraid of clowns? What? Someone said 40,000 seems pretty cool. I mean, I spent $20,000 last night buying Pokemon cards, so I mean, I wouldn't, you know, I wouldn't say that $40,000 a year is good money. I make about, right now I'm making about $1.5 to $2 million a month. If you are the richest, does that mean we have the most losers in the chat? No, I think I'm just the richest. Look at this push right back up here. Double bottom, kind of equal lows down here for now. 5-minute chart. This is why I was not going to be too greedy down there on that short setup, right? No reason to be greedy on that short setup down there. You make $1 million per month? Yes, I make a little over $2 million per month. We've got the Pilates studio. I've got other businesses. I got investments. I mean, I got it all. You know, I'm diversified. Look, I got some Ethereum. I got some cryptocurrency. Right now, I got about 80 grand invested in Ethereum. I mean, I'm out there. Do I have any real estate? I have zero real estate. I have zero real estate. Real estate is for losers. And I know people are gonna say, Patrick, what are you talking about? It is. It is. I like cash. I like money. I like money. I like cash. 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 Yeah, we're gonna have to bump up. I gotta bump up these numbers, chat. I gotta bump up these numbers. This is my bank account right now, but I gotta bump up these numbers. In July, we're only up 860,000. All right, February 1.8, March 1.9, April 2.3, May 1.5, June 1.6, July only 800,000. But it's only the 20th. We still got time. We still got time, chat. Okay, we still got time. All right. We still got time. I mean, for me, you know, I know people like the problem about the problem with owning real estate is that it's just I got better ways to make money. You know, I got better ways. I got better ways to make money, you know? Someone said they need a bake sale. Could you guys donate? Guys, we gotta get over 1 million this month. I got 10 more days to make 1 million. Use the code PW. Use the code PW. Okay? Use the code PW. My bank account dropped to one. It's low, man. It's low. I was over 2 million. Now I'm only at 1.8 million. Can we do a GoFundMe? Is there anybody in the chat who can donate to me, please? Anybody? Can you share ideas on how to get rich like you? Sell your booty hole on the corner. Some guy said, bro is flexing his bank account on YouTube Live. Jeez, what a goober. Yeah, man. It's all good. I'm not even flexing. I'm just letting people see that, like, you know, I'm making money. Watching from the Philippines, Catherine, let's go. He gave you respect. Yeah, well, he can go fuck himself. Some guy said I need to change my barber. Well, his name is Barack Obama 69, so he's definitely getting banned. Get the fuck out of here, Barack Obama. Bullshit. Fucking waste of fucking. Right now, it's 11 o'clock. It is 11 o'clock, chat. It is 11 o'clock. What do we do today? We got payouts live on YouTube. We made money live on YouTube. I mean, we're doing it. We're doing it so well. Look at that rejection right back down. This thing is not looking hot. Are we going lower today or what? Do I play with it again? Let's try it. Oh my God, what happened here? Something just got messed up. Why does something get messed up? It says I only got 2 accounts. What does it say that? 3? Oh, now it's working. Like, I'm just, is it gonna chop here or are we gonna go lower? New York ICE / FBI bombing. What? There was a New York ICE / FBI bombing? What? Is there something going on in New York right now? What's the interest on $1 million in the bank account? Terrible. Absolutely terrible. Don't do it. Don't put $1 million in the bank. They caught the guy. Small explosion. Jerry said, I bet you $10,000 it's going to go up right now. Okay, Jerry. Okay, Jerry. PW, when was your first $1 million and at what age? I don't know. I probably made my first $1 million in a year when I was like 26, 27, maybe less. Patrick, you the real GOAT. Amen, amen, amen. Jerry said $10,000 Cash App you if I'm wrong. I mean, okay, it goes up, it goes down. I mean, what do you want to bet on it? Why don't you put a trade on and just shut the fuck up? Why don't you just put a trade on and shut the fuck up, idiot? Patrick, I bet you $10,000 the market's gonna go up right now. I bet you, Patrick. Okay. I mean, you win. What the fuck? People are crazy. PW, is there no consistency rule? There is no consistency rule on my Take Profit Trader accounts for the funded accounts. Right back up there to the VWAP. Right back up there to the VWAP here. Hourly chart. It's kind of chopping around here. Jerry was right. Got to give Jerry $10,000 now. PW, what do you say to the haters that say you just suck people into this money-losing business of trading while making millions from affiliate fees? What do I say to them? I mean, people are gonna trade with or without me, right? People are gonna go to Vegas and gamble without me. I don't charge for this live stream. If somebody wants to become a day trader, like, I'm not gonna stop them, you know. I sit here all day long and tell people, like, being a day trader is very, very, very hard. It's probably a waste of most people's time. So I don't know. What do you want me to tell them? Should I go to Vegas and tell everybody in Vegas, don't gamble. Don't gamble. Don't do it. They're still gonna do it. So, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I think I'm teaching a little bit. Someone said I'm not teaching, but I mean, I think I teach a little bit. I'm trying to talk through like what I'm seeing and, you know, how I'm reacting to certain things that happen on the chart, or like what are my thought process, you know? So, I mean, I'm doing it live. So, I mean, that's I think the biggest thing, right? At the end of the day, what I do is I'm trading live. I'm showing you guys the entry, the exit, how I'm managing the trade, what I'm looking at, what I'm thinking about. Other than that, I mean, there's not really much else I can do, you know? So. Someone says that you don't know how to trade. I mean, hey, that's coming from you. That means a lot. I love when people say that I don't know how to trade, because clearly I've just gambled my way to 10 days of green in these Lucid accounts. But hey, what do I know? 10 days of green in these Lucid accounts. I mean, I don't know how to trade, clearly. I do not know what I'm doing, chat. I've never figured this out. What will I ever do? How will I ever make the money without the do it? Oh man, financial crime accountability. You're still in the chat. You're still in the chat, man. I love to see it. Thanks for the support, my friend. You know what you're doing. This guy is, dude, what is he on about? What is this guy going up? What is he on about right now? You know what you're doing, Patrick. You know. You know, Patrick. You know what you're doing right now. You know, Patrick. You know. You know what you're doing. Why won't he ever like actually say what I'm doing? Just tell me what you're doing here, my friend. Who are you? What are you doing? Clearly you have a fake name. You just made the account today. So who are you talking to? What? You know how to trade. I am not responsible for how you react to me basically just defending you. Dude, what is going on? Is he defending me now? What is happening right now? What is going on in this chat right now, man? What is going on? You know what you're doing, Patrick. You know. Oh, you knowing, he said, you knowing how to trade is not the issue. Okay. Okay, well, I mean, thank you for giving me, you know, thanks for giving me, you know, some props, I guess. Thank you. I think, honestly, I'm gonna be honest. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I think right now, the best thing to do is do not trade, right? The market, it's Monday. We didn't have any news today. It's just stuck here, right? Maybe it goes down, maybe it goes up. But honestly, I'm looking at my P&L right now, and I'm feeling pretty good, all right? I'm gonna lock out these fucking accounts. I'm just gonna do it because I don't wanna tilt. I don't wanna lose any money. So I'm just gonna lock out my take profit trader accounts, get those locked out. So that way I don't have to even worry about it. You know, big shout out to Tradeovate, that lockout feature. It's really nice. I'm gonna do, I mean, it's just, right now it's what, 11:15. You know, we really haven't had like any really good moves here today. So for me, it's good to just be like, okay, this is a good time to lock out. Right, I'm up $100, $500, whatever it is. Just lock it out and let it be. Do you think that we're gonna hit the previous day close? I do think that. I think that would be the play here. The problem is, like, we just can't get away from the VWAP right now. So, you know, obviously we want to make more money, but sometimes the best thing to do is just don't try to make more money. Right? I don't know. I'm still watching. I got these Tradeify accounts. I don't even need to trade these either. I'm gonna lock these out maybe. I think I'm gonna lock these accounts out. I'm gonna lock out those Tradeify accounts. We're up $1,500. Those are 50K accounts. The consistency is not worth making more money anyway. So I'm gonna lock those accounts. Boom, we're locked out. We got some evals we could trade maybe. She's pushing right back up here now. Dude, what is this? By defaulting to defense isn't a good look, is it? What does that even mean? I'm not even being defensive. I don't even feel like I've even been defensive. Have I been defensive this morning? What is going on right now? This is the weird, dude, this is some weird shit. This guy is lilies. This is some weird shit, man. This is some weird shit, man. I mean, what do you want me to say? Hey, everybody, I'm a scam. I don't know how to day trade. I make all my money as an affiliate. Please use the code PW. Sorry. I apologize for scamming everybody in the chat. It's all my fault. Everybody in the chat, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I scammed you guys. I don't want to scam you anymore. I want to be free of the scam. I want you guys to be free. Can you explain lucid direct consistency? No, I cannot. I am not a financial advisor. I cannot do it. I will not do it. I cannot do it. I will not do it. I cannot do it. Either way, though, feeling really good here. We're making plenty of money today. We locked in another Lucid payout. That's 3 payouts from Lucid in July alone. You gotta love it. I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but consistency here, my friends. This is a perfect example, my friends. Perfect example that you do not need home run trades every day, right? You do not need home run trades every day. You can make lots of money. I've already gotten payouts. So my account balance right now is 160, but you can see we got up to 160, got a payout, got it back up, got a payout, got it back up. So just want people to see, you do not need to make big profits every day. Consistency, my friends, especially like with Lucid, right? You've got the consistency rules. So if you make more money than you need to, you're just gonna be, you're just gonna be working harder for no reason. So I just wanna say that, like, hey, there's nothing wrong with a $500 day, a $200 day, a $1,000 day, a $600 day, right? Not every day needs to be $10,000, all right? Not every day needs to be $10,000. It's okay. It's okay, my friends. We've also locked in these Tradeify accounts. We've got 5 of the Tradeify, what were they? The select or growth accounts. So we locked those in, right? Bang, bang, bang. We've also locked in Take Profit Trader. We took like, I think $6,000 in payouts live today as well. So shout out to Take Profit Trader. Big moves. Getting the push here. Ugh, man. Got like a thing in my tooth. Yeah, Take Profit Trader is 5 trading days for the evals. That would probably be the only big problem most people complain about with Take Profit Trader, to be honest. So I've got a couple. I got a couple Tradeify evals that are like at the point of almost being blown anyway. So maybe we'll try to trade these a little bit. There's that pump. Fuck. She pumpity pumping. She pumpity pumping. Little pump here. Back above the 900s. I was kind of looking for a long off this EMA right here from the 80s back up to 29,000 now. So looking to see what happens here going into the 12 o'clock candle. We got D Money coming up at 12 o'clock, by the way. D Money 12 o'clock. I got Denny at 6 o'clock, and you got me at 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern this week. So I'm doing 2 streams a day for you guys. They're free, by the way. Free. All right. All right, here we go. Andre, I'm helping out Andre here. He says, help me with some advice. I pass so many accounts and I lose on day 1 or the second day. How do I properly manage the 50K accounts? Well, first question, do you trade minis or do you trade micros? Do you trade minis or micros? So I would say the best thing to do, once you get funded, size down, right? Go back to micros, go to micros, you know, and just get to a point where you're like, if I can make 20 bucks, if I can make 50 bucks, 100 bucks, and like do that for a while, right? Like try to like just aim very small and just like build up this like mental fortitude where you're like, I'm good with, if I can make 20 bucks a day, if I can make 100 bucks a day and do that consistently, well then, you know, I can get to a better point, you know, like mentally. Because the problem is, like, what you don't want to do is you don't want to get funded and then the very next day get greedy and then go blow the account. And a lot of people do that. I've done that. We've all done that. So I would say at the day that you get funded, scale back, like all the way. Just scale all the way back, man. Go to the point where I get it. it's annoying, right? Like you're gonna be like, fuck, this sucks. It sucks that I'm making $100 a day because you want to make 10,000. I get that. But if you do that consistently, right? Do it for a month, do it for 2 months. Like just try to aim. Be like, hey, I don't want to lose more than $100 a day. Do that consistently and like get to the point where you're not attached to this idea that you have to make a certain amount of money, that, oh my God, I'm funded. Now I've got to hit the profit target to get a payout as fast as possible. Don't do that, my friends. Don't do that. We're holding 29,000 here. This is, guys, by the way, I'm trading evals right now, so don't follow me. I'm going to try the long to see if it's going to push. I'll be like looking for like kind of targeting this previous little high there. Maybe it hits, maybe it doesn't, but that's just kind of my idea. We kind of broke out. It might pull back. We did have a little blow off. We pushed right to the bottom, so we might just end up chopping here. Right, that 5-minute candle pushed right up there, so let's see. These are some Tradeify evals that are pretty much already blown anyway, so just gonna see if this was a good idea or a bad idea. We got to push off this EMA here, basically. 5 micros is the sweet spot. Yeah, I mean, guys, there's nothing wrong with small profits, right? It adds up. You can get very large payouts just making $500 a day with 5 accounts, $100 per account, $50 per account. You can make lots and lots of money. Right? Too many people overcomplicate this shit. I'm telling you right now, the reason that most people blow up their account is not because they don't know how to trade. The reason they blow up their account is because they get greedy, because they go for big profits. Going for small profits is much easier than going for big profits. Keep your size small, keep your emotions down, right? Keep your emotions down, keep your profits up. Emotions down, profits up. Emotions down, profits up. Like right now, could you take 10 points? Sure. You could if you wanted it. Why not, right? Take 10 points and then just walk away. That's what you like honestly, the best thing you could do as a trader is take 10 points and then just walk away and be like, I'm done. I quit. I'm done, you know, and be like, later. Get one good trade a day. Wait for the perfect setup, get it, and then get out of there. You know? Patrick, you will trade at the moment? K33, will you trade at the moment? Guys, I'm in a trade right now. Someone in the chat just asked, Patrick, will you trade at the moment? Are you looking at the fucking screen? Does the screen work? Does the screen work? Oh my Lord. Yeah, see, 10 points would have paid right there. 10 points would have paid. 10 points would have paid. We're right there at the bottom of this 15-minute range. So either we're going to blow through there and maybe we push up towards the 50s next. Right? We're right here at the bottom of this 15-minute range. We're going into the 30-minute candle to close here very soon. Big pushback up here. It just kind of stuck now. Right there. So 30-minute candle is pushing back up, but having some trouble to get through that 20s again. We'll see what happens when this candle closes. Maybe we're going to get some more push. Hourly candle. It's just a big chop. It's a lot of chop right here. It's a lot of chop right here. A lot of chop right here. All right. Again, these are evals, and I'm either gonna blow it or I'm gonna get this pop. So we'll see. We blew. It just did not want to pop there. So we had a chance to take that 10 points. I got greedy. It'll probably pop now. Just could not get through there. Maybe a wick down and then a wick back up. So. Maybe I shouldn't have added right there. YOLO. That's why you gotta love the lockout feature. You know, you gotta love it. You gotta love the lockouts, people. They're nice to lock it out. Because when you basically get into this time frame, you know, 11:30, 12 o'clock, like if the market hasn't made a move yet, well, normally it's not gonna make a move. It's just gonna chop, and that's why it's a good time to go back to the evals. So yeah, I think, fuck, look at that. If we break back above the 96s, I'm gonna jump back in here. I got plenty of evals here. I already locked out my funded accounts, but if we can get another eval trade, we'll do it just for entertainment purposes. Look at that push right back up. So I'm gonna try this long here and looking to see if we can get this push. I mean, there it goes. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? You gotta love it. It pulled back, stopped me out, and then look at this. Are you kidding me? And that's why you gotta love trading so much. Isn't trading so much fun? Like, what the fuck? What the fuck? Leslie said, told you that you can't trade. Hey, Lesbo, why don't you just go fuck yourself? Because clearly you're a lesbian. So this guy said, I told you can't trade. God, imagine watching me on the internet and then commenting. Just imagine that. Like, I get it. I'm beautiful. I'm smart. I'm rich. I'm everything that you want to be, but you'll never be. Like, and that right there, my friends, has to be the most frustrating part, right? People always be like, why do I get so much hate? The reason I get so much hate is because all these little fucking incels, all these virgins on the internet, they tune in and they watch me and they just get so upset. They're mad. You know, they get mad because they're turned on and they feel the gayness coming out and they're like, oh, I hate him, but I love him. I hate him, but I love him. I hate him, but I want to be him. You know? They hate me, but they ain't me. And that's a fact. That is a fact, my friends. I'm telling you. Haters are just my most, they're my lovers, right? They love me. It's super gay, exactly. I mean, what's more gay than going on the internet, typing in Patrick Wieland, and then going to my live stream and then saying, I love you, right? Like, that's gotta be the gayest thing I've ever heard. Like, I don't know what's gayer, sucking a dude's dick or going on the internet and typing in Patrick Wieland and going out of your way to go and comment that I suck at trading. That's got to be the gayest thing I've ever seen in my life. And there's I've seen a lot of gay stuff, especially this right now. Are we still live? Are these still live? I'm gonna go tune into the gay stream. Never mind. Connection lost. Eric turned it off? Oh my god, like...
Yeah, there's something in like the air wallet or whatever. And the sad bro, shit. How do you even get to that point? You just get so paid and you're just like, the one thing I can't have. I need it. Why are they so crazy?
God. You know how I know all these faggots don't make money? Well, because I know. I seriously know that. TGR couldn't trade to save his life. Couldn't trade to save his fucking life. The kid is a walking, talking disaster. God. Crazy work. It's crazy work out there, chat. Look at ICT posting replay videos again. This guy, he can't trade live to save his life. He won't trade live to save his life, right? But he'll post videos all morning long talking about how he picked the exact top. Why not do it live? I don't understand that. Like, why not just do it live? If you're so good, just do it live. I do it live. I do it live. I mean, why can't you do it live? I'm confused, chat. I'm confused. Anybody gonna go join up to, oh, what is that? What is that? What is that? There's a live video of Denny dancing. I don't know what the fuck he's doing. Look at Denny. He's trading on his phone while at the park. Denny looks funny. Look at Denny, man. What's he doing? Denny's getting wild and crazy out there, chat. He's getting wild and crazy. I was gonna go surfing this weekend. Too many people. Look at this wave, though. Whee! That's not me. Me and we were over in Newport. I'm trying to see what else we got going on here. What else is funny this weekend that I said or did? I mean, I definitely cooked Mraz. Definitely cooked him. Definitely cooked him, chat. The funniest is he was like, oh, the reason that we dismissed the defamation lawsuit is because we couldn't serve you. Sir. If you thought he had any chance of winning in court against me, he would not have filed to dismiss his own case. You know, I mean, come on. Come on. You know, he wouldn't have dismissed his own case. Right now, Nasdaq at the 29,000s. Well, right here at the bottom of the 15-minute range, just kind of chopping around here. It's kind of chopping around. Karen, some guy just said he just joined the stream here, and I'm sorry, but you're getting banned for life. You're getting banned for life. He said he just joined. You got any giveaways? Nope. We don't do I don't want to give away nothing to nobody who just joined. All right? Ain't got no time for that. Dude, what is Financial Crimes talking about now? Watching other men stream on your stream, that's dripping masculinity. This guy's my biggest fan. He's my biggest fan. Denny, do we got the fucking giveaways ready yet? He's so gay for you, exactly. Hey Patrick, what stocks and crypto are you investing in? I bought some Ethereum recently. I've got about $80,000 worth of Ethereum right now. I'm looking to buy some more. It just kind of like, it went back up. My average entry on Ethereum is 1780. We had a little breakout here. This is why I got long on Ethereum. So maybe we'll see if we get a little bit of a push higher here. We're kind of holding there, but need to go for more. For more. Yeah, a lot of haters, P-Dub, but we appreciate you. Hey, I mean, I'm making plenty of money. I'm living my life. Life is good, you know. I get to hang out with my son, do fun stuff. You know, haters are gonna hate, and there's nothing I can do about that. But I think the proof is in the pudding, right? At the end of the day, if I truly was such a bad day trader, like if I was so bad, you know, at what I do, well then I don't think I would have that many haters. I mean, I'm just being honest, you know. I think if I was like that, you know, if I was truly that bad, I wouldn't have any haters. There we go. Christian just passed his eval. Love to see it. Love to see it. All right, I'm still waiting for Denny to do this giveaway any moment now. We got to figure out a better way to do these giveaways. We got to like, I gotta call somebody and figure out a better way to do giveaways, because it's just right now it's the giveaways is just, it's hard. It's just like hard to, the infrastructure of doing it is hard. That's the problem. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no, chat. I just saw on Twitter there's a new female influencer promoting prop firms. Oh God. Can I ask you guys a favor? Listen, boys. Don't be simping out on them female women, right? Don't do it. Remember, treat them mean, keep them keen. You know, don't fuck these people, man. They'd be like, just a girl goes online and they're like, oh, it's a girl. I love, like, have more respect for yourself, people. Have more respect for yourself, people. Is this a long setup? It's not a terrible one. Could be. Could be. I don't know. I just don't get the whole simp thing. Why is everybody all simping out all the time? So many simps. If I wish this wasn't a wick right here, but this could be a little longy dongy. It's pushing up 2-minute chart. I'm gonna try the longs here. These are evals, by the way, so we're just kind of playing around here, getting ready for D-Money coming up at 12 o'clock. 5-minute chart, we pulled back, got a wick on the bottom of that candle. There's still 3 minutes left here, but can we push through the highs now is the question. Going into that 11:50, 12 o'clock kind of time frame. So, let's see. I mean, realistically, you're like looking for maybe like up into here next. But don't be afraid to take 10 points. PW, do you know how to get on the TGR Love Island? I think you got to suck some dude's dick, basically. Oh, I like that. Hey, I like that. I'm going to take that right there, boys. I like that, boys. I'll take 20 points like that all day. I'll take 20 points all day. I'll take 20 points all day. All day, baby. All day, baby. All day, all day, all day. James Bell said D-Money blocked me because I said you're better than him. Well, I mean, we all know that. He didn't block you because of that, did he? Well, it looks like you're back in the chat, so you're good. Don't worry. I mean, we all know I'm better than D-Money. It's not even a question, sir. Never call a room full of dudes Love Island. Oh, no, it's Love Island, sir. Well, there's that long. We took the long. Beautiful trade there, right up there through those highs now. As you can see, 5-minute chart. We had a wick. We pulled back into the EMA, kind of breaking out through there now. We're going into 12 o'clock. I would say, you know, if you're thinking, where do we go next? Well, we maybe take out this candle high. Got a little bit of time still, but Patrick, you're not greedy today. Hey, man, just trying. I'm just trying, man. Just trying. T-Money timed me out because I said PW is his master. I mean, that's a little racist, probably. That's probably why he got timed out for that. You can say that I'm D-Money's boss, but I don't know if you can say I'm his master. That's a little gay and a little racist all at the same time. All right, I would never say that I'm his master. All right. She's trying to get up there. The high of that previous candle. I'm interested to see if it's going to go for it. They love to do that where they try to get above these highs. It's trying to push. It's trying. If we get a little pullback here, I'm going to try a little long here. Oh God. A little bit more than I wanted. Oh God. Kind of look if we can sell into this push here, going into this hourly candle close. She's just like stuck right here, kind of chopping around. Got 5 minutes until 11:50, and then obviously going into 12 o'clock should be a little, hopefully, better price action there. Got to pop above 30s here. Trouble. A little bit of trouble just chopping here now. Just chopping here now. You need a boner candle right out of here. Boner candle through the 30s, right to the 40s. Give it to me, Nasdaq. Do it for me. Do it for me, Nasdaq. Do it! Oh, so close, but yet so far. It's getting really tight here. Something's about to happen. Something is about to happen. Will it pop? Oh my Lord. Why you gotta do that, Nasdaq? They love to do this shit where they just like get right to the level and then chop it around. Chop everybody up. It's funny because last night I was trading at 11:50 p.m. trading the midnight candle, the 12 o'clock candle. Straight back down again. Yeah, not looking good here. The only chance that we have, oh, yeah, it's not looking good. Straight down there, fucking A. These are evals, by the way, just being transparent. So we'll see if that's gonna get blown or not. If we can hold 29,000, maybe we're good, but we lose this level, we might be in trouble. Just got denied right there. Look at that, all the way back down. Ugh, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. Yeah, I don't know. We were right there at the bottom of that range, and that's why I said it was a good time to just lock out. So. James Bell, I can't, it's really hard to unblock people. It's like I have 1 million people blocked and I can't, it's like almost impossible to go and find people's names to unblock them. So yeah, we got stopped out there. Just did not want to go, denied, pulled back. So it is what it is. Kind of got right up there and just got stuck. So right back down again. You gotta love it. You gotta love it sometimes. Would you recommend to trade an eval aggressively? I mean, just kind of is what it is, man. Trade what you think. Wow, is that really like, if it bounces off here, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. Financial crime accountability. Why would you need to block such a high level, such a high volume of viewership? I don't know, for the same reason that has blocked you, because you're not adding any value to my stream, right? You're just causing more bullshit for no reason. So thank you for playing. Good luck with your life. I'm sure you'll make another account and come right back, though. I'm sure. I'm sure of it. Yeah, I mean, we were playing with him, but it got to the point where it just got boring. At first, it was funny because he was talking about the operators in the chat, but now it's just being silly. Monument Alert Hub said he's about to short. Okay. You gotta love it. Look at that. Right out the VWAP again, just chop straight back up. God. Oh, God. You gotta be kidding me. You have gotta be kidding me, chat. Straight back up. Right where we got stopped out was right where we pushed back up to. You gotta love it. This is gonna be that 11:50 going into 12 o'clock close, possibly. I don't know. It's right there, just trying to go. Dude, will you shut up about ICT is on space? Get out of here, weirdo. Nobody cares. Like, literally nobody cares. I guess we needed to touch that VWAP before going higher here, clearly. Got stopped out right at the bottom of this fucking move. The question now is, do they try to pop this high before this candle closes? You got 6 minutes. 6 minutes here. Trying to go for that high pop. Baby Jesus. The high pop. You gotta love it. Oh, God. I'm gonna see if we can get this candle high up there into the 60 area. This is what I wanted earlier. Just tune in. Did you end up hiring Lucas? Not yet. Monument Alert Hub said, glad I didn't short. Well, I wouldn't have shorted. That'd be a bad idea. Wow, this is literally right to our fucking... This is exactly what we wanted to happen earlier. Frustrating. Well, they busted through. Busted through. That hour, the last candle, that was 53, so we've already busted it. That was that hourly candle, so we did swipe that high. The question is, can we go, how high can we go on this squeeze? They love, dude, I'm telling you, 11:50 to 12 o'clock, like that's, if you're gonna trade, I would wait till 11:50, 12 o'clock. Like don't trade 11:30, don't trade 11:15. Wait for 11:30 to 12 because we're getting a lot of really good moves around that time. You get actual follow through at those points. So we got D-Money coming up in 5 minutes. 5 minutes until the D-Money show. The D-Money show. Take Profit Trader right now has got the fastest payouts around. We did live payouts today, instant payouts, hitting the wallet instantly. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Can I get some W's in the chat here either way? I know they're not always good, but I mean, that's pretty good. My original idea is playing out. We just had to pull back first and then go. Make sure when you guys, if you guys gonna watch D-Money, make sure you tell them that I got this trade. Okay, be like, hey D-Money, Patrick got a 40-point trade right before this. Just tell him, you know, he likes to hear it. $10,000! 40 points. Can it get there? Well, our target has been achieved through those highs now, so anything after this is just free money. Free money. Free money, chat. Put like a sell order, like a stop there, and then we'll see if we get this filled up here. Oh my lord, look at that. The market makers did me wrong. The market maker got one fucking, are you kidding me? The high of that candle was 66.75. You can't make this up sometimes. Or you can, I don't know which one it is. All right, well, we got D-Money coming up here in 3 minutes. We got what we wanted, or we talked about, the hourly candle kind of swiping this high up here now, so. I'm interested to see what happens here later on. We got 3 minutes till this hourly candle closes. Will we get one more pump out of it, or is that the top? 66.75, you motherfuckers. Nasdaq, you motherfucking Nasdaq. You a motherfucking Nasdaq. Kayla said, are you in a buy? Yeah, Kayla. Do you see the screen, people? The screen, sometimes I wonder. People be like, where did the 40 count giveaway? I don't know. I'm waiting for fucking Denny to give me the names. Never mind. Denny's not working today, I guess. Nobody's working. All right, well, I guess we're gonna have to give them away during the accounts are ready, right? We got your guys' names, so we'll have to see what happens. Ginger, you don't worry about the live stream. Worry about my insurance. I need insurance, Ginger. Insurance. Warehouse insurance. Well, there it is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream today. We had some really good trades this morning. We were patient, and you know, I think we did what we needed to do. We locked in the payouts. We got the payouts. We had a good day. Good overall trade. We took it patiently. Had some good scalps. I wasn't being greedy. Today, Monday, had a big move kind of overnight, pulled back, and that's it. That's all I got. I wish I had more news for you, but very happy to lock it out here. You can see in my Lucid accounts, another payout is locked in. We got another 9,000 basically trading in these take profit trader accounts. And then in the Tradeify accounts, we've also locked in a nice little profit day as well. So pretty happy with that. I can't complain. Making money live on YouTube with the whole fam. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We got D-Money coming up here at 12 o'clock. Tune in or tune out. I don't really care. Either way, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Will we get one more pop here? One more pop. She wants, oh, so close. Tell D-Money to hold on. I'm still long. I'm still long, D-Money. Don't go live yet. Okay. Okay, there we go. Good trade, chat. I'll see you guys later on. We're locking it down. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. What a time to be alive. So, there it is. I'll see you guys. Well, I'll see you. I don't know when I'm going to see you, but I'll see you. Tonight, actually. I'll see you tonight, 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern. We got Denny at 6 o'clock. We got D-Money coming up here in a few minutes. And I'll take it. Look at that. 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 Tell D-Money that we got 50 points live on YouTube. Okay? You make sure you tell D-Money. We got 50 points live. The entry, the exit. You got it all. 50 points. 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 50 points.